Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today we are diving into Napkin.ai and connect thoughts and turn into them something amazing. If you have ever had random idea but struggled to organize them, this tool might be just blow your mind. Let's get into it. What is Napkin.ai? Napkin.ai calls itself your second brain. Think of the like an AI assistant that can be your note ideas or even halfback thoughts and help you grow into the full project stories or strategies. It's not just a note-taking app, it's more than intelligence brainstorming partner. We are using a simple interaction that practice for hiring interview, and if I press to generate the visual, it will starting to generate the visual on this section, and I can select styles from this sidebar, and it has also customizable designs on this place. You can see we can simply use this, and in that place it suggesting to make something better visuals on this point. Okay, you know how it works now, and I think this structure will be look good. And you can also change its textures by clicking on these points wherever you wants to change. First up, can jot down quick thoughts, almost like writing on napkin. Then the AI will connect your ideas together. For example, best practice for a hiring interview. It also summarizes, expand ideas and helpful you writer, interpreter or entrepreneur or student. And coolest part, Napkin organize your notes. And coolest part, Napkin organize your notes into visual knowledge map. So you can actually see how is your idea linked. Let's try it out. I will try it for this interview answers. Let's try it out. I will type for the interview questions, and it give me ideas, generated text, and now it's helping me to generating the visuals for me. And this is awesome. You can try this right now, and you can simply generate your thoughts. You can generate the articles, blogs, news, everything. It's like brainstorming with a friend who always has smart suggestions. Who is Napkin AI for? This tool is perfectly for creative entrepreneurs. Who is this Napkin AI for? This tool is perfectly for creative entrepreneurs, students, and knowledge workers. Whether you are planning a startup, writing a book, or just exploring ideas, Napkin AI helps you to organize your thoughts without losing them. Easy to use, minimalistic design, smart AI suggestion, great for idea exploration. Is still limited compared to full project management tools. Subscription model, not for free forever. So, is Napkin AI worth trying? Absolutely, especially if you are downing, drowning in the ideas to get to know the connect on the dots. I have dropped the link in the below if you want to test it out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI reviews, and let me know in the comment which AI tool should I review next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.